Stenciling with royal icing. To create a stencil topper for a cake, first roll out some sugar paste on a non-stick board to around 3 to 4 mm thick. Use corn flour to stop it sticking to your mat or to the rolling pin. Place a floral stencil on top of it and smooth it down with your hand. Scoop stiff peak icing onto a palette knife and spread it over the stencil in one clean action. Check that the icing is evenly distributed across the stencil design. Use your palette knife to smooth away any excess or fill in any gaps, if necessary. Then peel the stencil away. While the sugar paste is still soft and before the icing dries, use a cookie cutter to cut out a shape. With the cutter still in place, peel away the excess paste. Lift off the cutter carefully. Brush the top of the cake with a little edible glue or a dab of royal icing and position the heart in the centre of the cake. Stenciling cakes creates an impressive finish but is easy to do when you know how.